Hi, this is Tina, and I'm going to show you how to make chicken cabbage stir fry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of chicken thigh, cut into bite-sized pieces. For the marinade, you're going to need a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of rice cooking wine. For the rest of the stir fry, you'll need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 5 garlic cloves, roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger, sliced thinly, about 6 to 8 shiitake mushrooms, dried or fresh, 1 cup of cabbage, shredded or roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons of soy paste, also known as thick soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and a stalk of green onions chopped, which is optional. I'm going to be using dried shiitake mushrooms, so I will be soaking the dried shiitake mushrooms in the warm water for about 15 minutes or so until it's softened. If you are not using dried shiitake mushrooms, you can skip this step. Once it's soft, remove shiitake mushrooms and slice. Do not discard the water though, because we're going to add this into the stir fry later. In a mixing bowl, add the chicken with all the marinade ingredients and combine well. Let it set aside and marinate for about half hour. In a cooking pan or wok, add cooking oil and let it heat up on medium-high. Add garlic, ginger, and let it cook for about a minute. Then add the chicken along with all the marinade sauce. Stir fry for about 3 minutes or until the chicken is slightly browned. And remove the chicken, garlic, and ginger from heat and set aside. Add a little more cooking oil if your pan is too dry. Then add cabbage and shiitake mushrooms and stir fry for about a minute. And if you're using dried shiitake mushrooms, go ahead and add the water that was used to soak the mushrooms into the pan and cover with a lid for about 2 minutes. Uncover and stir fry until the cabbage has softened and return the chicken back into pan. Now add thick soy sauce, brown sugar, salt to taste, and stir fry everything for about another 2 to 3 minutes or until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. Now sprinkle with chopped green onions if you chose to use that and mix well. And now it is time to remove from heat and serve. And that is how you make chicken cabbage stir fry. Remember to follow for more delicious Asian recipes.